Everyone who said all lives matter, where are you? Because there are concentration camps in China holding Muslim people captive, forcing them to eat pork and drink alcohol and abusing children and raping women. Like, where are you?
Alright guys, she's not wrong, so let's talk about it. The worst genocide since Nazi Germany is currently happening right now in China. Now, what she has said in this comment isn't even the tip of the iceberg, and that's fact. There are 3 million prisoners currently in these concentration camps. Children are being stripped from their families and put into orphanages. Women are being forced to have abortions and being sterilized. They're literally taking organs from these people to sell on the black market. I'm throwing a link in my bio, SaveUYGHUR.org. Go check it out, please.
Covering this right now, but there are currently concentration camps in China. Starting early 2017, the Chinese government began cracking down on Uyghur Muslims and other minority groups in East Turkestan, locating them to re-education camps that are actually just concentration camps. Families have been torn apart, women have been subject to forced marriages, gang rape, forced sterilization, and so many other forms of torture. In the camps, Uyghur Muslims are forced to renounce their identity. Banned from praying, fasting, reading the Quran, or even abstaining from alcohol could get you punished. Various forms of torture take place in the camps, such as waterboarding, organ harvesting, electrocution, and so much more that I haven't even mentioned. Once the world started finding out about these atrocities, the Chinese government relocated these people into labor camps, where they are forced to work under inhumane conditions for some of the brands that I've listed here. Something needs to be done. Follow @FreeUyghur now to keep up with the Uyghur crisis, and please spread awareness.
The ground was hard.